Hi, I'm Matt Hauser from Unity Technologies, and this is Isabella Riva, head of Made with Unity at Unity Technologies. We're at Siggraph 2018. Isabel, can you tell us a little bit about what is really awesome going on at Siggraph 2018 from Unity?
We're super excited to be here, Matt, because we're celebrating a few of our key projects this year, which are amazing proof points for people working in film. We have a collaboration with Disney Television Animation, and together Unity and Disney Television Animation worked on 3 short films that were inspired by the Big Hero 6 TV series and feature Baymax, the hero character, falling asleep and getting up to a whole bunch of silliness. So we were able to make those 3 shorts in real time, from beginning to end. They were directed by Simon J. Smith, who's a veteran filmmaker and who validated for us that this was like the most interactive, creative storytelling he'd ever been through. He never wants to work the old way again. We're excited to have him here giving talks and sharing that experience with the community.
Very cool. And so can you tell us a little more about what kinds of projects we're going to be looking at in the future from Unity, what the direction of that sort of the new vertical of film is?
Yeah. And I just wanted, before I forget, we also have Adam 2, which was directed by Neil Blomkamp, was just showing at the Electronic Theater. And there's a fantastic project that came from our demo team in Sweden called Book of the Dead, which is a super high-fi forest, which really like shows off the graphics of our engine. We're also very, very excited to share Sonder, which is a short film directed by Neth Nam. It was a passion project. He's an animator by trade, and he was able to create this beautiful story in real time using our engine, and it has like this sort of like toon shading and like incredible lighting, and that's also available. You guys have to, we have to tell them about the booth. And, yeah. Everybody should stop by the booth and find out where to see the talks and the films.
Yeah, definitely. We have tons going on in our breakout room and different talks that different team members are doing all around the conference. So definitely check it out. And yeah, if we could just kick off into what Unity is looking to do in the future with film and that kind of stuff as well.
So we really feel actually the future is now. Future of filmmaking is happening. The worlds of game and film have converged, and real-time engines are making storytelling so much more fun, easy, interactive for creators. And we feel that in a place like Siggraph, the mecca of science and technology for CG animation, this is the place where we can finally contribute those learnings, those breakthroughs, and have people take that on. In the future, Made with Unity is hoping to work with filmmakers on features and VR and AR tools, everything that we could possibly do to sort of improve storytelling for creators.
Great, well thanks very much, and have a great Siggraph 2018.
You too.